Hey, buddy.
What's up?
I got a question. You want to rock, paper, scissors for $5?
I'm good, brother.
You ready?
Yeah, it's got it.
Let's go. All right. $5. All right. You beat me. $5. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, go.
Okay.
Okay. You ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh, wait, that way.
Yeah, like after. Yeah. We're rock, paper, scissors in. You're next.
Yeah, what do I win?
$5. All right. You ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. 1,
Best out of 3?
1, 2, 3, go. One more.
Okay.
1, 2. Hold on. You ready?
We gotta get.
All right. 1, 2, 3, go. I won.
Every time, huh?
Huh? Yeah, I'll give you $5, bro. Come here.
Are you sure, bro?
Yeah, come here.
No, I'm on the job. We're not even supposed to be taking.